Good morning. This is Janine Bolon with Build Your Business Bootcamp, and what we are going to be covering over the next 4 weeks as we walk you by the hand through this intensive. I used to call these intensives, and people were like, "Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for that." And I'm like, "Okay, what about a workshop? Okay, what about a boot camp?" This particular program has gone through a lot of iterations depending upon what the people were, what demographic I was working with. So today we're going to focus on building your foundation. But wait, there's more. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to have creating your habits of success and prospecting new clients. And don't forget how to keep your contacts top of mind. So a lot of business owners know how to do a lot of these things, but they get stuck in various stages of their systems. First thing that is very, very important when it comes to building your business and making more money and increasing your income is this. Why did you get into business? I can guarantee you I know why you got into business. First reason, you wanted control of your time. You wanted to be able to control your time, live life your way, and make it happen. What I find fascinating is time and freedom are synonymous with entrepreneur. Okay, so whether you're a solopreneur and this is a kitchen table kind of business, or you're somebody that this is what is paying my rent, it doesn't matter. You want to live life your way. So please answer me this question. Why have you not booked your vacation already this year? One of the things I want you to realize is that building your foundation is building your life. Before I can help you build your business so you're making a lot more money than what you are now, first of all, I want you to be able to have that relaxed time that you owe to yourself. I have had so many entrepreneurs, and forgive me, I'm going to get on a soapbox here. I've had so many entrepreneurs that tell me about how they haven't had a vacation in 7 years. And I'm like, oh my gosh, honey, when you get ready to go into business for yourself, let's make sure that we set it up so that you are going into business, but you have vacation days, you have business retreats, you're going to build an income plan. But most importantly, you're going to build a lifestyle plan. You have worked hard to get to this place wherever you are, and it is time for you to build out your lifestyle plan. And you're like, Janine, but there's no way with the income I have now, there's no way I'm going to be able to go to Tahiti. And I go, well, how do you know? Until you build it into your plan. Build the plan and then we'll move forward. And some of that building that foundation is basically understanding the only reason you feel that you're on a tightrope with money is because you have trained yourself to feel like you are on a tightrope with money. The mindset that is most helpful to you is to realize this world, this planet is awash in money. There are people on this planet that want exactly what you have to offer, and they will pay you handsomely for it if you will get over the fact that there's barriers to their entry into being able to pay you for what you are worth. Okay, so this is the internal work that we have to do as entrepreneurs to basically get over ourselves and stop getting in our own way. So how do you go about doing that? Well, I am astonished to learn that there are entrepreneurs that don't have 2 checking accounts. They do not have a business account. They do not have a personal account, and it's not split up. Hello, rule number 1 in business is have a business checking account, have a personal checking account. Now, for some of you, I know that's pretty basic, but I've been surprised by some of the entrepreneurs that come to me and find out that they are basically constantly have their hands in the till of their brick and mortar business instead of having 2 separate checking accounts, okay? This is how you measure your progress. I honestly have no idea how people operate a business when you don't know how much money is coming in and you don't know how much money is going out. So these are things that are important. The next one is your happy Sunday. When we talk about building a lifestyle for ourselves, when we talk about getting ready to go on vacation, have business retreats, that sort of thing, the other area that is in desperate need is 1 day a week where you're planning out what does it mean to be successful for you on the next several days a week. So what are you sitting there and what are you saying to yourself about you and your business? One of the things I like to share with people, and of course in your course, I also have a template for this. I like to share with people What are the 3 things I can do this week that will help me be successful? Now, I make sure that these are small things. I don't say, I'm going to write a book this week, okay? I say, I am going to create the landing page for my new book or whatever as I'm in the midst of writing it. Make them doable action steps for yourself. Realize the one thing that lets you know you are doing life well, that you are living life well, is that you start creating positive habits for yourself that are in alignment with where you want your lifestyle to be. Such as every morning at 6:30, you will find me creating cards, sitting down, writing out cards to follow up with my clients from 6:30 to 7:30, Monday through Friday. Guaranteed, that's where you're going to find me. So what I want you to kind of focus on is starting to establish, what does your work week look like? Okay? What does that look like for you? Because if you do not have working hours, when are you meeting with clients hours? When are you doing the administrative details? That sort of thing. Then you're setting yourself up for burnout, because we will hit into that one thing we absolutely despise in this course, and that is decision fatigue. As an entrepreneur, you will make anywhere, some people can make anywhere from 15 to 25,000 decisions a day. And so we want to put you in a place where you are doing things out of rote, out of habit. So one of the books that I read that was very helpful at using words to describe things for me was Atomic Habits by James Clear. I absolutely love that book because it was stuff I had been doing for years, but I really didn't know how to express to people the importance of it. Well, this guy wrote a book and sold 1 million copies on it. I'm like, go Clear, way to go. Because Atomic Habits talks about everything that you can put in a system so it's automated for yourself, do. So whether it's you're setting up your phone so that you have alarms that go off at certain times because you and you know how you are a squirrel and you absolutely love the pretty shiny things. Okay, I'm raising my hand. You cannot see it, but I'm raising my hand saying I'm one of those crazy people that I am so creative that I will spend the whole day brainstorming the 50 million things that I could do to make money. All right, making money is not a problem for me. Implementation is where the challenge comes in. And then if I get frustrated, I get myself distracted and I forget to come back to things. So the way you go about doing this is setting up your work week so that there are 4 hours a week that you're guaranteed that you will be marketing your business. And I talk about that in the Thriving Solopreneur. I have videos on that. I'm not going to cover that in this course, but I would like you, for part of your next steps from this program, is to start off by saying, okay, when am I going on vacation? What does my perfect week look like? If all things, work out according to your plan, haha. And then I would like you to set up, when are you going to prospect? When are you going to do your follow-up? When are you going to do your connecting? And when are you going to do your training of yourselves? Okay. And so when we build the foundation, the first lecture is a little light, but that is only because everybody is coming from different sections. And literally, you kind of have to decide what your foundation is going to look like for you. What do you want to have happening for you with that? And so then I open it up to a lot of questions.